Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are having a wonderful week. Today I'm going to be showing you my full nail tutorial for the 4th of July. So let's get started. Okay, I've started by painting my nails white. It's not a completely opaque coat. It is very sheer. But that's okay, because we're going to be going over it with nail polish. I'm going to do a red, white, and blue gradient. We're going to be using these 3 colors. And I'm going to be doing the red at my cuticle, the white in the middle, and the blue at the tips of my nails. What you will need for this is any 3 nail polishes. Doesn't have to be this color scheme. Any of them will work. They just have to be different shades. They can't all be too similar. For instance, these 3 would not work together. They blend together and it just looks like one color. So keep that in mind when doing gradients. I have this foam sponge I got from the Dollar Tree. Oops. And I'm just going to be painting the nail polish on this. And then if you're not familiar with the technique, you just dab it on your nail. Let's get started. So, open up my nail polish and arrange it in the order I'm using it. Also, you're not going to be able to get away with one coat of nail polish. You have to go back over it with the sponge with another layer, because otherwise you don't get the full intensity of the polish. And if you want it to look faded, which can be a cool look, then go ahead. But if you want the full intensity, then make sure that you go over it twice. Just gonna paint the nail polish in pretty thin strips because I want to make sure I have enough room for all 3 colors on my entire nail. Like that. And then line it up. And dab the color on. See what I mean about you not getting the full intensity? When we go back over it, it'll look like the nail polish in the bottle. I'm going to do all my other nails like this and then go back over them. So that they have some time to dry. Also, make sure that you don't get the other colors too close to the white, because we don't want to lose the white. We really want that to be more of a statement. We don't want it to get lost. It started to get kind of lost in this. We don't want that to happen. That's a good one. There we go. That one got a little bit muddled. We're gonna have to try and fix that up when we go back over it. And I am going to be cleaning the nail polish off my skin with a brush dipped in acetone. Alright, now I'm just going to go back over all of my nails. So I messed up on this one a little bit. The red and the white got where they weren't supposed to. I'm gonna have to redo that. But I'm still learning this technique. This is only my second time doing this. And I just thought that this would be really cool. And it's going to be once I figure out how to do it well. Let's try to do better on my other nails. The hard part about this is lining up the colors exactly where you put them the first time. And not getting them mixed like I just did. Okay. This is turning into more of a fail than I wanted. Yeah, that just happened. I think there was too much nail polish on there. I'm not going to reapply nail polish on this. I'm just going to go on my next nail. Because I really want to show you an example of what this is supposed to look like. That looks good. That actually worked. Let's... Okay, don't reapply as much nail polish as I did. That's the secret. There we go. I'm just gonna have to redo those two, but just look at those. Those are really nice. Set that down. I'm gonna get this off my desk before it dries. I'll fix it later. Okay, let me go get my nail polish remover because I'm not prepared. Okay. I have my brush right here, and I'm going to close my nail polish real quick so I don't tip it over because I almost did. Okay. Now I'm going to just pour a little bit of this into the cap. Take my brush. This isn't a nail brush, it's just a makeup brush that I didn't ever use, that I got from a pack online. Now we're going to take off the nail polish. You know, why am I even trying on this one? I don't know. I just realized I'm taking this off anyway, so I'm just gonna do the 3 that turned out good. So, you're also gonna need to have something next to you that you can, like, rub your brush on to get all the nail polish off. I have my to-do list. That's probably not the best thing, but I don't have any tissues next to me. So that's what I'm using, because I'm not going to get back up. Also, if this technique is done correctly, like it is on these nails, it should be dry already. This one is not dry. It keeps sticking. I accidentally touched it and it's not dry. I always hate waiting for nail polish to dry, so I really like to do this technique because the nail polish does dry like 10 times faster. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I always use all the nail polish that people recommend, and theirs dries so fast. And I'm always stuck with nail polish that's wet for what seems like 2 hours, and then I can't do anything. Let me know if that happens to you guys. It's the only major downfall of wearing nail polish, because I love wearing nail polish, but I hate the time it takes to paint my nails. It takes way too long. I'm thinking eventually I'm going to switch over to gel polish because I don't want to have to wait. And I've never tried gel, but I really want to. Seems easy enough. Like this technique, yet I messed it up. Be sure to get the nail polish out of your cuticle, but not mess up your nail art that you just spent a long time on. The white that I used for the base, I only decided to do 1 coat because it took an hour and a half to dry. I was going to try and make it opaque with 2 coats, but it's just not worth it. I've got things to do today, and I can't be sitting around forever waiting for my nail polish to dry. Also, don't worry if your skin is a little bit stained. You can clean that up with a Q-tip, just as long as you get the bulk of the nail polish off. Just take a Q-tip and nail polish remover, and it'll come right off your skin. Also, if your brush gets kind of stiff because there's a lot of nail polish on it, that's when you wipe it off on the preferably tissue that you have next to you. Don't wipe it on your to-do list like I am. It's not a good idea. Luckily, it's not full, so I have like the empty corner that I'm writing my, that I'm rubbing my brush on. But still not a good idea. Also, if you want to see a video on how I clean my brush after using it on nail polish, then comment down below, because I'll do a video on that. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up because my camera is dying. I'm gonna clean up my skin later. Here we have it. Just don't look at those. That's my final 4th of July nail polish look. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of my outfit because sadly that video my get ready with me will be up on Thursday the 5th. So it won't be in time for the 4th of July, and I want to have it as inspiration for you guys, even if you can't exactly see how I got the look. So, here we go. Hi. Wrong way. Okay, so I have my hair in a ponytail, red bandana. My outfit is red, white, and blue. Thought that would be fitting for the 4th of July. Oh yeah, and I always say how I'm looking at a mirror when I'm filming. There we go. That's the mirror. And my really messy room. I just have a white cami. I'm terrible at this. Some really cute shorts. And white and blue. And then last but not least, these adorable shoes. They are Airwalks from Payless. I wear them everywhere. Oh, and there's my dog. There's Tiana. So that's my outfit, including these nails. I hope that you all did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss any of my videos, and share this video with your friends. Bye!